राइड है जिसका नाम है
Excuse me, I can't go inside.
Yes.
Mama.
हाँ बेटा,
I need water.
बाबा से बोलो गाड़ी में बैग पैक में से निकालेंगे. ठीक है. I saw. Sorry.
And act just like for me.
अबे लाइट कहाँ से?
Over here, not Pleasure Island.
I could drag ass out yourself. Count the doors and lock top.
Quick, hurry up.
You blokes going somewheres?
Look out. Pinocchio! You're on your way now.
This calls for a celebration.
All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit? Well, have a look around.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait! Please! He went this way.
No, that way.
And the sun is coming toward home. Then I'll get up in the morning Now this is curious. Touching world.
Something? I'm not sure where I am.
Wait! Don't go, please!
Good try. This way.
Should raise a and eat your boss.
Would quickly lose his head.
Since this is the thought we dread, we're painting the roses red.
His Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King. Shall we play croquet? Rule 42. The Queen always wins. What the heck? Stop it!
is coming to an end. Please remain seated until your teacup stops, and then follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta! Please visit us again.
Once again, please remain fully seated with those doors closed until your teacup has come.
It's a toontown. Beautiful place.
Toontown around the corner from the gift shop. Follow the pathway down.
And what is this?
This is Small World.
Oh, okay. Afnan? Oh, why you are behind?